Hey guys, this is, I don't know, this is my cat Peepers. Hi! Patty cake, where your hand, it's all and so good, but that's. So, now you have met my cat, Peepers. You okay, Peepers? Yeah. Well, thank you to the guys who did the first comments on Assassin's Creed, but I think you guys would do good. Very great. Hold on for a minute. Okay, there you go. So you can see me well. Well, I hope you guys like me very much. Me and my cousin we're trying to do it with the next video, so you guys tell me what you guys want. So you guys can tell me. Yeah. I'll show you the thing. This is Quixels. This thing right here. And where is the guy? You guys can probably notice by now I have it. I like the machine and everything. Sorry about the hand wave, because there were stuff like this little mini. If you guys have never played Minecraft before, then you guys should like Minecraft. I don't really have Minecraft right now, so I'll try to get it later. So
that's part of Minecraft.
Yeah. So bye, and hit that like button all the way.